In this video, I'll show you how to make a one-time card on Klarna so you can shop safely online without sharing your main card details. First, open the Klarna app on your phone. Once inside the app, go to the Wallet section, located at the bottom right of the screen. Here, you'll see an option that says Pay with Klarna, and right underneath that, you'll find One-Time Card. Tap on this option to begin the process of creating your card. Next, you'll need to select the store where you want to use your one-time card. Keep in mind that not all stores are eligible, but Klarna supports a wide range of popular retailers. For this example, we'll use Amazon. Search for Amazon within the app and select it. After that, click Continue to Website, which will redirect you to the Amazon payment page. Once you're on the store's payment page, look for the Pay with Klarna option at the bottom. Tap on it, and then choose Create One-Time Card. Now you can set the spending limit for your one-time card. Enter the amount you want to use for your purchase, and then click Continue. Klarna will show you the terms, so read them carefully, then click Agree and Create Card. After that, your one-time card is generated instantly. You'll see all the card details including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Simply enter these details on the store's checkout page, just like you would with a regular credit or debit card. Once the purchase is complete, the one-time card will automatically expire, keeping your main account safe from future charges. By following these steps, you can shop online confidently using Klarna's one-time card without worrying about security risks.